pretty sure you might be a little bored with all this boss battle part stuff. So I'm just gonna show you a little script I have where you can rotate this rock once you pick it up. It's gonna be right in front of you, and you know. So anyway, so I'm using Unity engine. That's it. Public game object, item in hand, and public render, ThisRender, so that you can still interact with it afterwards instead of actually destroying or anything. Public boolean switch item, and once the mouse is over it, and if the input get key down key code, or just string E, and if switch item equals is not switch item, or in this kind of case it's false, then ItemInHand dot set active, and then switch item, which is switch item, and then ThisRender dot enabled equals false, ThisRender dot enable, and then if you press it down again, and if the thing is true, and set active switch item, ThisRender dot enable equals true, switch item equals not switch item. That's it, and then it just keeps flipping over and stuff. So that's it, I guess. That's just what I have. Sometimes you might see like 2 of these rocks, even though I did. Hold on. Yeah, even with this off, you can still see it. Well, I mean, if I turn it off in the code, it still keeps trying. It still shows it for some reason. So yeah, that's it.